Bring it back.
Welcome to WPNN. My name is Dwayne.
And my name is Natasha.
Students, open house is next week on Tuesday, September 9th, starting at 5:30 p.m. in the cafeteria. Join us at Heritage and bring your family to see what our campus is like for all students who want to attend.
Also, are any of you interested in joining any clubs? Well, we've got the club for you.
Do you want to be part in planning any school events like homecoming, the fall festival, donation drive, and other fun events? SGA is definitely the move.
The Student Government Association will meet every Friday after school in room 2121. For more information on this club, email Ms. Rock or visit the SGA Google Classroom with the code on the screen.
For anyone interested in joining this year's Spanish club, the meetings will start today in room 5204 at 2:30 p.m. For more information, contact Ms. Velez or Ms. Ramos.
Club Shop is now in action. They will have their first meeting today from 2:30 to 4 p.m. There is no previous experience needed to join, and there is no need to stress.
If you are interested in our chess club, meetings will be held in 4207 every Friday from 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. Contact Ms. Dohearing for more information.
Do any of you want to learn the ways of theater? Our drama club is available and they meet every Monday at 3:45 in room 2121.
Also, for anyone here who would like to see more of our available clubs this year, don't forget to join our Club Expo on Friday, September 12th. This event will be open for all lunches, so feel free to see what's around during your assigned lunch.
Students, there is an evening college fair open out for all grades levels on September 9th from 6 p.m. to 7:30 at Melbourne High School. For anyone who is interested, register through the link on the screen.
Picture retakes are on Friday, September 19th. This will be held in the Media Center. Don't forget to look your best.
Panthers, who else is excited for this year's homecoming? Well, homecoming will be on September 20th. Be prepared to have the time of your life.
Also, stay tuned to hear what our Spirit Week themes are here at Heritage.
In senior news, seniors' parking spots are now available on Saturday, September 6th. All seniors are allowed to paint their parking spots, but you must complete a few things before painting your spot.
First, you must fill out the form for a parking pass, which can be found in guidance. After that, you must pay $20 in person for the pass.
After you get approved and obtain your parking pass, you're now allowed to paint your parking spot. However, you must bring your own materials. Harrows will not provide paint, paintbrushes, brooms, or other materials.
Also, it can get really hot when painting your parking spot, so we suggest bringing a personal fan, water, ice pack, or even a canopy. For more information, email Ms. Underwood.
Seniors, South Boulevard is hosting their college fair on Tuesday, September 9th at 10 a.m. Around 60 colleges will be represented. The South Boulevard College Fair will be held in their gymnasium for any seniors interested in attending.
Class of 2026 senior shirts are now available for purchase. The deadline to order yours is October the 2nd. Visit the link on the screen to buy yours today.
For any seniors who have not done their senior portrait session, you can book it now. To book your session, you can visit the site shown on the screen to complete your senior portraits.
In sports news, there will be an informational meeting for softball on September 26th. This will be held in Coach Fox's room, which is room 6209, from 2:45 p.m. to 3 p.m.
Tonight, our football team is away and goes up against Egali at 7 p.m.
On Monday, our volleyball team takes on Palm Bay, starting at 5:30 p.m.
Wednesday, our volleyball team goes up against Cocoa Beach, starting at 5:30.
And on Thursday, our JV football team takes on Satellite at 6:30 p.m.
That's all for the news for this week. Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
And don't forget to lock in. Thank you for watching, and
Go Big Blue!
Welcome to WPNN. My name is...
Sorry, you have to say her name.
I was going to say my name, but she laughed.
You know she's recording, right?
Are you actually?
Student Government
Yeah,
Association
she's been
will meet
recording.
Are you
every
serious?
Friday after school in room 2121. For more Sorry. Do any of you want to learn the ways of theater? Our drama club is available. Students, there's an event. There's an event.
Okay.
We got it the first
It's
time.
okay.
It's okay.
We have to clip. We're not. You okay?
What was that?
It's okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Panthers. Whoever is excited for this year. Who else is excited for this year's homecoming? Well, homecoming will be September 20th. Be prepared to have the time of your lives. Oh.
It says life actually. Also, stay tuned to hear what our Spirit Week themes are here at Heritage.
Boom. I can form the hypothesis that is blue.
Hypothesis.
I can form the hypothesis. And if he points at the ocean, right there, down,
Yeah.
you can go swimming there.
Yeah. But you could get eaten by the shark.
You
got
very.
Hey, can you sit over here?
Are you
doing so much for the
You're kind of in the way of the map.
Yeah, you're like really in the way. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, the green. There's green.
There's green!
As you can see in
There's
the green, that's real. There's a tornado. Ah! Be careful.
Run!
And that's all for Heritage News today. Bye.
That will not be the bloopers, right?
Wave. Bye.